Ever wondered how the automotive industry in Romania got its start? Let's travel back in time to the early 20th century, the era when the concept of automobiles was still novel and fascinating. Romania, a country known for its rich history and diverse culture, was about to embark on a journey that would revolutionize its industrial landscape. The inception of the Romanian automotive industry was a tale of determination, innovation, and sheer will. The key players were not just the pioneers of the industry, but also the visionaries who dared to dream. It was during these early years that the first Romanian car was born, a symbol of progress and ingenuity. This journey was not without its challenges. The industry was in its infancy, and the road to success was fraught with hurdles. Lack of resources, limited technological know-how, and economic constraints posed significant obstacles. But the spirit of innovation was undeterred. The pioneers of the industry persevered, fueled by their passion and the dream of seeing a Romanian car on the roads. Among the key players was Malaxa, a company that marked the beginning of the Romanian automotive industry. Founded in the early 1920s by Nicolae Malaxa, an engineer and industrialist, the company played a pivotal role in laying the groundwork for the industry. The first Romanian car was a testament to the industry's potential. Dubbed Fordul Românesc, or the Romanian Ford, this vehicle represented the beginning of a new era. Produced in the late 1920s, it was a symbol of Romania's industrial prowess and a beacon of hope for the future of the automotive industry. Despite the challenges and obstacles, the determination and vision of these early pioneers paved the way for the growth and development of the automotive industry in Romania. The journey was not easy, but the rewards were immense. The first Romanian car, the birth of an industry, and the promise of a brighter future were all fruits of this labor. And thus, the foundation for the Romanian automotive industry was laid. As we move forward, let's remember the past that shaped this industry, the challenges that were overcome, and the triumphs that were celebrated. For it is in understanding our past that we can truly appreciate the present and anticipate the future. How did the Romanian automotive industry evolve in the middle of the 20th century? A fascinating question that takes us on a journey of resilience, innovation, and growth. As the calendar pages turned, marking the onset of the mid-20th century, Romania's automotive industry entered a phase of dynamic evolution. The period was marked by the introduction of new technologies that changed the landscape of the Romanian automotive industry. The magic of modern engineering began to find its way into the heart of Romania's car manufacturing, with the development of more efficient engines, the use of advanced materials, and the implementation of innovative production techniques. These advancements were not just impressive, they were transformative, signaling a new era in Romania's automotive history. But this period was not just about technological evolution. The mid-century years were also shaped by global events of profound significance. The aftermath of World War II saw a shift in economic and political landscapes across the globe, and Romania was no exception. The country faced challenges, yes, but also found opportunities. The automotive industry, in particular, responded with resilience and adaptability, navigating the stormy seas of change with determination. And then there was the rise of Romania's most iconic car brands. These were not just vehicles, they were symbols of national pride and technological prowess. Brands like Dacia and ARO became household names, not just in Romania, but across Europe and beyond. They embodied the spirit of Romanian ingenuity, the passion for progress, and the drive to create cars that were reliable, affordable, and distinguished. The mid-century evolution of Romania's automotive industry was not just about cars, it was about the people behind them. It was about the engineers who dared to dream, the workers who turned those dreams into reality, and the drivers who took these cars on roads less traveled. It was a story of ambition, resilience, and triumph. Despite the challenges, the Romanian automotive industry continued to evolve and grow. And as we look back at this remarkable journey, we can't help but be inspired by the spirit that drove this evolution, a spirit that continues to shape the Romanian automotive industry to this day. So, what's the current state of the Romanian automotive industry? The industry is in a fascinating phase of modern evolution. Innovations and advancements are being introduced at a rapid pace, reshaping the landscape of the Romanian automotive sector. The rise of electric vehicles, for instance, has been a game changer. As the world shifts towards sustainable energy, Romania has joined the race, with manufacturers ramping up production of electric vehicles. This transition is not just a trend, but a vital step towards reducing carbon emissions and contributing to global environmental efforts. However, the introduction of electric vehicles is not the only development. The industry is also seeing a surge in the use of advanced technologies. Automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are now integral parts of manufacturing processes, enhancing efficiency and precision. Yet alongside these exciting developments, the Romanian automotive industry faces significant challenges. The impact of globalization has intensified competition, with manufacturers from all over the world vying for a share of the market. Romanian automotive companies are now competing not only with their European counterparts, but also with those from Asia and America. Another pressing issue is environmental concerns. As the world becomes increasingly aware of the environmental impact of industries, the pressure on the automotive sector to reduce its carbon footprint is mounting. While the shift towards electric vehicles is a step in the right direction, there is still a long way to go in terms of achieving full sustainability. Moreover, the industry is grappling with the challenge of keeping up with rapidly changing consumer demands. Today's consumers are more informed and discerning. They want vehicles that are not just functional, but also eco-friendly, technologically advanced, and stylish. Meeting these expectations while maintaining profitability is a delicate balancing act. Despite these challenges, the Romanian automotive industry continues to push forward, adapting and innovating in the face of adversity. The journey hasn't been easy, and there are still hurdles to overcome. But with resilience and determination, the industry is forging a path towards a sustainable and prosperous future. The Romanian automotive industry has come a long way, but it still faces challenges that it must overcome. What does the future hold for the Romanian automotive industry? As we gaze into the crystal ball of the Romanian automotive sector, one thing is clear. The landscape is ripe with potential and teeming with opportunities. One of the most significant areas of potential lies in the burgeoning market of electric vehicles. With global trends shifting towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly modes of transportation, Romania is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. The country already boasts a robust infrastructure and a skilled workforce, and these strengths could be further leveraged to make Romania a hub for electric vehicle production in Eastern Europe. The future also holds immense promise in the realm of technological advancements. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is set to revolutionize the automotive industry worldwide, and Romania is no exception. AI has the potential to streamline production processes, enhance vehicle safety, and improve the overall driving experience. Romanian manufacturers that embrace this technology stand to gain a competitive edge in the international market. Furthermore, the potential impact of government policies cannot be underestimated. The Romanian government has demonstrated a commitment to fostering growth and innovation in the automotive sector. Policies aimed at incentivizing investment in research and development, promoting green technologies, and supporting the electric vehicle market could have a transformative effect on the industry. But, like any industry, the Romanian automotive sector also faces its share of challenges. It will need to navigate issues such as fluctuating global demand, evolving consumer preferences, and the need for continuous technological innovation. Yet, these challenges also present opportunities for growth and innovation. The future of the Romanian automotive industry looks promising, with numerous opportunities and exciting developments on the horizon. As we continue to monitor this dynamic industry, one thing is certain: The Romanian automotive sector is poised for an exciting journey into the future, driven by innovation, sustainability, and a spirit of resilience.